Ever feel like your energy just vanishes halfway through the day? Well, today we're diving into the best energy-boosting foods for women that'll keep you powered up throughout the day. No more afternoon crashes. Let's fuel that body right and keep the energy flowing. Here are the top energy foods for women that'll make you feel like you could run a marathon or, at least get through your to-do list. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat to stay energized and feel amazing. So stick around, it's about to get juicy. Stay with me, because the last one is a total game changer. First up, bananas. These little yellow wonders are like an energy boost in a peel, packed with natural sugars and potassium. They help your muscles keep going. Need a quick snack before heading out? Grab a banana and boom, instant energy. It's like a portable charger for your body. Next, we got oats. Oats are the breakfast of champions. Why? They release energy slowly, which means you won't feel hungry 20 minutes later. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal, and you'll feel like you could conquer the world, or at least make it to lunch without crashing. Now, almonds. These tiny nuts are a secret weapon. They're loaded with healthy fats and protein. So when the afternoon slump hits, almonds swoop in to save the day. Plus, they're crunchy and satisfying. It's like a snack and a superhero in one. Let's not forget sweet potatoes. Sweet, delicious, and packed with energy. They're full of complex carbs that keep you fueled without the sugar crash. It's like having a little power up with every bite. Try them roasted, mashed, or even as fries, whatever works for you. And then there's spinach. Ever wonder why Popeye was so strong? It's the iron. Spinach is full of it, and that's what helps keep your energy levels high. Throw it into salads, smoothies, or just saute it with some garlic. It's an easy way to keep your body running smoothly. Finally, Greek yogurt. This is the protein punch your body needs. It's thick, creamy, and keeps you full for longer. Top it with some fruit or honey, and you've got a snack that's both delicious and packed with energy. It's like eating dessert, but without the sugar crash. So there you have it. These foods aren't just good for you. They're your secret weapon against low energy. Give them a try and say goodbye to feeling tired all the time. Your body will feel ready to take on anything. So there you have it. These 6 energy foods are your ticket to staying energized and ready to take on the world. Try them out and say goodbye to those midday slumps. What's your favorite energy food? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty tips.